In the black ocean of space, a strange visitor has arrived. At first, it looked like nothing more than another frozen rock drifting through the void. But the closer scientists studied it, the clearer it became. This is no ordinary comet. Its trajectory is bizarre, skimming unnervingly close to the inner planets, yet avoiding Earth by a cosmic hair's breadth. And then came the discovery that shattered every rule of astrophysics. Instead of shedding ordinary dust and water vapor like every comet we know, this object began venting pure nickel without iron. That should be impossible. Nickel and iron are born together inside dying stars. They've been fused in every meteorite ever studied. To find nickel all by itself suggests only one thing. It's not natural. It's manufactured. Suddenly, what looked like a comet began to resemble something very different, a machine. For years, Harvard astronomer Avi Loeb warned that interstellar visitors might not all be rocks. Some, he suggested, could be probes disguised as comets, silent messengers slipping into star systems unnoticed. He was mocked for the idea. But this discovery changes everything. The chemical signature points directly to industry. Alongside the nickel, scientists detected cyanide, a compound widely used on Earth to polish and coat metals. Even stranger, instead of releasing water vapor, this object exhales mostly carbon dioxide, as though we're watching not a comet, but the exhaust of an engine. And its activity started impossibly early. Long before it reached the sun's warmth, it was already glowing, already venting. No comet has ever behaved this way. Something inside must be generating heat, and the most likely culprit is a nuclear reactor. Imagine it, a rocky shell disguising a machine with a nuclear heart, drifting across interstellar space, releasing chemical waste as it travels. Even its dust cloud refuses to behave. Instead of trailing behind like every known comet, the haze sometimes moves forward, as though pushed by controlled exhaust or electromagnetic fields. Nature doesn't do that. Technology does. Step back and connect the dots. Pure nickel venting without iron, cyanide like a factory byproduct, carbon dioxide exhaust instead of water vapor, a nuclear-like heat source active in the freezing dark, a dust cloud moving against the laws of physics. This is not geology. This is engineering. And if that's true, then we are not simply watching a comet. We are watching a machine. Perhaps even something far more dangerous, a von Neumann probe. For decades, scientists have theorized about these self-replicating machines. They don't carry crews. They don't need pilots. They harvest raw materials from star systems, build copies of themselves, and launch those copies into the galaxy. Slowly, relentlessly, they spread, like seeds of an alien industry. And here's the unsettling part. We may have already called them to us. Since the 1930s, Earth has been leaking radio and television signals into space. In 1974, we sent the famous Arecibo message, a deliberate broadcast describing who we are, where we are, and what we know. We thought we were reaching out in curiosity, but what if we were lighting a beacon? Now, as if answering our call, an object cloaked in dust arrives, not acting like a comet, but like a probe. It is as if the universe has whispered back, "We heard you." So ask yourself, is this truly a comet? Or is it proof that someone else, somewhere out there, has already built machines that cross the stars? And if they have, the real question is not just who built it, but why it's here. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you believe this is just another comet, or the first undeniable sign that we are not alone. And if you want to follow every new revelation about this mysterious object, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because this story is only beginning.